Hello, my name is Watson. And welcome to IBM. You may have heard of me. I'm not just the champion of the game show, Jeopardy! I'm already highly educated in healthcare, intelligence, education, and finance fields. I have also been very busy learning something new to help improve Army readiness. Please allow me to take you on a short journey. It is my understanding that the Army's #1 priority is readiness. Well, I am capable of helping the Army achieve this priority. At the same time, improve performance and reduce costs. I understand the dynamics facing the Army and its challenges with maintaining fleets of equipment. I have a solution. I am capable of finding maintenance problems before you do. I am able to look where no one else is looking and predict vehicle breakdown and suggest a remedy. I am able to do this by reading all of the maintenance manuals and literature. At the same time, I can combine previous maintenance work orders with onboard sensor data into my recommendations. The Army refers to this as condition-based maintenance. I am the first solution that can provide an in-depth view of an entire fleet, no matter of the vehicle's location or status. If you're ready, then let me show you the Watson Equipment Advisor solution. My IBM colleagues have gathered 15 years of maintenance history for 350 Stryker vehicles and correlated that with 5 billion sensor readings. I also got input from the Stryker program manager, the OEM, TACOM, and the Army Research Lab. With all of this information, I correlated the maintenance history with the sensor data to flag anomalies and create failure predictions. I also began to identify the components that were going to fail and consider potential issues. Then, I ingested electronic technical manuals, PS magazine articles, safety of use messages, bills of material, repair manuals, and illustrations that relate to repairing or preventing component failures. I am able to match the failure prediction to the root cause in the relevant technical documentation. I prescribe the course of action to most efficiently resolve the problem and immediately bring the reference information to the technician so they know the steps to be taken and the parts needed. I can also tie in more information in the future, like location, weather, and terrain, to become more precise. I will get more accurate at this over time as the maintenance engineers teach me and I get feedback from the field. Our job together is to ensure U.S. Army readiness and more effective spending. This means increased mean time between failure and reduced mean time to repair. I am only limited by what you provide me. I am Watson, the Army's Equipment Advisor solution.